Hi, I'm Kevin Newell, and this is the Redneck Fishing Line Winder. Alright, you're going to need a coat hanger. The white ones work best for this. Take your coat hanger and bend it out like that. Take a pair of side cutters. Cut it right above this bend on both sides. Then bend that down, flip it over and do the same on the other side. Squish that together. Okay, straighten this out. Cut it off about here. Next, go ahead and take your toilet paper roll, take your coat hanger piece, put it inside, push the prongs through cardboard, take a drill, put it in there, snug it up nice and tight, grab a piece of tape, tape your fishing line down secure. Go ahead and activate your drill. Nice and clean.